What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly zip a folder in Google Drive without any third-party add-ons. So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and find a folder on Google Drive that you want to zip. Click on the folder and just simply right-click on it or use the button on the upper right to download. Now, once you click download, if that folder is not yet zipped, you will see in the lower right that it's going to quickly zip that folder or file for you. And you'll see how quickly it is. Depending on the size of the folder, it's going to go ahead and take a bit of time to download. But if it's not so big, it's going to do it quick. And as you can see right here, it is zip and it's download on my PC as zip. Now, once that is done, if you're using Chrome or whichever, you just need to go ahead and find that folder on your PC. As you can see right here, and you zip the folder. And if you even want to re-upload that folder to Google Drive, just simply drag it in back and it's going to upload that folder as a zip folder in Google Drive for you. And that's all that you have to do, guys. So just keep that in mind. And that's it. So as you can see right here, it is done. And this is the folder that is zip and it's now on Google Drive as well. But that's it. It's super easy, right? So if you have any folder that you want to zip on Google Drive, you don't have to download third-party add-ons. You can simply click on download on that folder and it's going to zip it automatically anyways for you. And that's it.